What if I told you there's a phone that can replace your DSLR camera? A phone with battery life that lasts longer than your workday. A phone so powerful, it makes other flagships look slow. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Nokia Turbo Pro Max 5G, and trust me, this isn't just another smartphone. This is a revolution. In today's video, we'll dive deep into this power-packed smartphone's fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Turbo Pro Max 5G. Design and display. First, let's talk about this stunning 6.76-inch AMOLED display. We're talking 1.5K resolution with a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers and movie lovers. It's protected by the new Gorilla Glass Armor Plus, the toughest glass Nokia has ever used. And check out how fast this in-display fingerprint sensor is. Camera system. Now, the real showstopper, this insane 250-megapixel main camera. With triple cameras including a 100-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel telephoto sensor, plus a 32-megapixel selfie camera, this might be the most complete camera system on any smartphone today. Battery backup. The 7800 mAh battery is an absolute monster. With moderate use, I easily got 2 full days. And when you do need to charge, 125-watt fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes. Performance. It runs the latest Android 16 with Nokia's clean, bloatware-free interface. And for the software you get latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, currently the fastest mobile chip in the world. Plus you get all the premium features, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and USB-C Gen 2 for super fast data transfers. Price and availability. Now for the big question, how much? Nokia is targeting an aggressive $799 price point, which is incredible for these specs. Expected availability is late 2025.